Good morning, students. Today I am Anita Sehgal. I will discuss with you class 10th, chapter 2, Federalism. Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Usually, a federation has two levels of government. One is the government for the entire country, that is union government. Then there is government at the state levels. Features of federalism. Now we will discuss about the features of federalism. Number 1, there are two or more levels of government. Each level has its own jurisdiction in specific matters of legislation, taxation, and administration. Number 3, jurisdiction of the respective level of government are specified in the Constitution. The fundamental provisions of the Constitution cannot be unilaterally changed by one level of government. So, if we want to change the Constitution, one level of government cannot change it. There is two or more levels of government. Jurisdiction of each level is also described in the Constitution, and sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified to ensure its financial autonomy. The source of revenue of central government and state government is also clearly specified. The federal system thus has dual objective to safeguard and promote the unity of the country while at the same time accommodate regional diversity. The federal system ensures that there is unity of the country and cultural diversity should also be maintained. Now we will discuss about difference between unitary and federal government. As the name shows, in the unitary government there is only one level of government or subunits are subordinate to central government. The central government can pass an order to the provincial or the local government. In the federal system, there is more than one level of government. The central government cannot order the state government to do something. State government has its own powers for which it is not answerable to the central government. Both these governments are separately answerable to the people. So in unitary government there is one level of government and it is answerable to the central government. But in federal government there is more than one level of government and state government is not answerable to the central government. Now we have two routes of federalism. First is coming together federalism. In it, independent states come together on their own to form a bigger unit. This coming together federalism is found in USA, Switzerland and Australia. All the constituent states usually have equal powers. States are equally powerful and strong vis-a-vis the federal government. In holding together federalism, a large country decides to divide its power between the constituent states and the national government. In India, Spain and Belgium, this type of holding together federalism is found. The central and state government tends to be more powerful vis-a-vis the state. Now here question can be describe coming together federalism and holding together federalism. Thank you and have a nice day.